had no idea about it. 12 and 2 today, so.
We then have, I think, one guy in the water.
Number 3's in front again, followed by number 2. Definitely seems to be a faster boat. Can change the crews, but number 3 seems to win every race. Same result as last time, 3-2-1. That's been the same every race so far as I know. There you go, Mustang Dave, Northwich River Festival, the Dragon Boat Racing. Yeah, number 3 romped that. Not quite sure who they are. Catch you later.